I just got a silk press. The lace just melts right in. It is super transparent. Do you guys see that? Look at that. That is the lace. I can lift it up. It is literally just sitting on my head, but you can't really tell that it's sitting on my head. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing a glueless wig install. This is gonna be very beginner friendly. No baby hairs, real natural, no glue. I'm honestly just tired of wearing frontal wigs glued on to my hairline because they're not comfortable at night. The lace starts to itch. So I'm trying to switch to glueless wigs. So I'm going to show you guys how I achieve a glueless wig install. So the wig that I'll be using for today's video is from Luvme Hair. It comes in this purple box with a purple wig bag. I love wigs that come with a wig bag because it's just easy to store. The first thing that really stood out to me about this wig was the lace. The lace is very transparent. The knots looked like it was already bleached. The scalp color looked real nice. And on the inside, you have two types of adjustable straps. I have a very small head, so I love wigs that come with an adjustable strap. This is a 13x4 frontal wig in 18 inches and the texture is straight. Although the lace looked very good, very transparent, I still went in and added a little bit of makeup just to be on the safe side. This is definitely optional, especially if you're a lighter skin tone, but I just wanted to make sure that the lace just melted into my skin. And the makeup that I put on the lace was from Revolution Beauty. It's their bronzer in the shade Dark Deep. I really wanted this wig to look like I just got a silk press. I wanted it to look like my hair. So I did go in and just flat ironed piece by piece. To get rid of flyaways, I use my Murray's beeswax and I just put it on top of the flyaways. Now the frontal was looking a little bulky after I was done flat ironing it, so I did take my hot comb and just ran it through the top just to make it more flat. I wanted the part to be a little more wider, so I just went in with my tweezers and plucked some of that hair from the part. Y'all, look at how transparent that lace is. It just melts into that mannequin head. I'm not even sure if you guys can really see the lace, but also excuse my mannequin head because it has hair dye on it and makeup, so it looks a little dirty. But here's a better view of the transparent lace, and I'm just cutting all of the extra lace off of the wig. So that's all what I did to make the wig look natural. Y'all, look how silky this hair is. It's very full, it moves a lot, it's very silky and soft. And the smell, you guys, it does not have an odor. Sometimes when you get wigs, they have a little stench even after you wash it, but this wig does not have an odor, and I love that. This is gonna be the real test to see how well it looks on my head without any glue. Oh, before I put it on, also you guys, so the adjustable strap, I have it very tight. I also have this adjustable strap on the very last hole because I have a really small head. So I just want it to be as secure as possible. Ooh, okay. It fits my head perfectly. So I'm just gonna adjust it, make sure the middle part is in the middle. The lace is so transparent that you can literally see where my cap is. So I'm just gonna flip this wig back and pull my cap down a little bit more. so it doesn't look so noticeable. Okay, like that. Forehead wear. Okay, so I got the wig on. My middle part is not in the middle, but I do like how natural this wig looks like. You can still kind of see the lace right in here just because the wig is honestly still too big for my head. But if it wasn't, I'm just gonna pull the lace down on the sides and show you guys. Do you guys see how it just melts into my skin with no glue? To make the part more sharp, I'm gonna take my MAC lip pencil in the shade Cork, and I'm just going to go over the part with this lip pencil. I'm gonna take my edge scarf to wrap the lace down to see if that just lays it flat a little bit more, and just tie it down right where it's lifting up at. Here's a close-up of the wig, and that's where the lace is. This is how it looks from far away. You really can't see the lace lifting. It's not really that bad to me. My part is not in the middle. That's something that's making me cringe, but I'm gonna fix that too, probably at a later time though. But look at how silky this hair is, you guys. It's just giving me silk press vibes. Very full. This is 18 inches. One good thing about glueless wigs is that you can take it right off. If you have a good adjustable strap that fits to your head shape, you don't have to worry about your wig sliding back. Like right now, my wig is secured. The only thing that's really not secured is the lace in the front. But other than that, my wig feels very secured. The only thing I will say about glueless wig installs is that the flaps are not gonna stay down. So yes, this melts right into my skin, as you guys can see. It looks really good, but the flaps only lay down when the hair is straight down. I wonder how it would look to the side. Oh wow. But you can still see the, put it to the side like that. Huh, okay. Let me fix it a little bit and see how it looks for real, for real. Wow. Oops. I think I might actually consider switching to glueless wigs when I get to save my edges. I don't have to worry about the lace itching my skin. But I am very impressed with how this wig turned out. Of course, I will have all of the wig details in my description box, but we are at the end of the video. Let me know what you guys think. Have you tried a glueless wig install? Are you thinking about trying a glueless wig install? Let me know what you think about this glueless wig install, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye, y'all.